1950 Ford Custom Deluxe Club Coupe. Price: $24,750. Location: Los Angeles. The 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe Club Coupe is a stunning example of post-war American automotive design, blending elegance, simplicity, and timeless appeal into one unforgettable package. Finished in a deep burgundy exterior with a clean two-tone grey interior, this classic coupe immediately captures attention with its smooth curves, subtle chrome accents, and iconic split windshield that defines an era. The design of this vehicle represents a turning point in automotive history, where function met style in a more refined and integrated way. The body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, giving it a sleek yet solid presence on the road. Chrome bumpers, rear fender skirts, and wide white-wall tires add to its authentic vintage charm, making it a true head-turner whether parked or cruising. The heart of this classic Ford lies in its powerful V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission that delivers a raw and engaging driving experience. Enhanced with a dual carburetor setup, this coupe offers improved throttle response and performance, making it more than just a showpiece. It's built to be driven and enjoyed. The addition of front disc brakes provides better stopping power, adding confidence behind the wheel. The attention to detail continues with thoughtful upgrades such as an aluminum radiator for improved cooling and a dual exhaust system that gives the car a deeper, more satisfying sound. Riding on 15-inch steel wheels wrapped in Firestone wide white-wall tires, this coupe maintains its classic stance while offering dependable performance. A full-size spare tire neatly stored in the trunk ensures practicality for longer drives. The interior of the car delivers a nostalgic experience that takes you straight back to the golden age of motoring. A comfortable bench seat, a classic 2-spoke steering wheel with a horn ring, and period-correct features like an analog clock and push-button radio create a warm and authentic cabin atmosphere. Every detail, from the dashboard layout to the fender-mounted antenna, reflects craftsmanship and simplicity. The 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe Club Coupe is more than just a car. It's a piece of history that tells a story of innovation, style, and everyday usability. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, this vehicle offers the perfect balance between originality and drivability. If you're looking for a vintage classic that stands out and delivers a truly memorable driving experience, this Ford might just be the perfect addition to your garage.